Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, okay? Cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency, and watch all video of this channel. Okay, today or now I want to share to you about cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, your guide to the biggest name in crypto. As we know, cryptocurrency is very much so many. So now we want talking about a king of cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, like actually Bitcoin and Ethereum in the king. Bitcoin and its many peers have surged to new levels of popularity over the past year, but they are still a mystery to many investors. With the new coins cropping up all the time, it's hard to keep track of what we're paying attention to and what might not be here to stay. Meanwhile, major companies are jumping on the bandwagon. Tesla announced earlier this year the customer may buy vehicles with Bitcoin digital payment platform, which also owns transfer app Venmo now also allows customers to use cryptos ranked by their market capitalization in US dollar. The biggest cryptocurrency is the world are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, and Tether according to CoinMarketCap. Their market caps range from more than $1 trillion to around $50 billion. But their work and how valuable the single coins might be in a broader context. Here, your guide to the biggest digital currency today. Created anonymously in 2009. The digital asset. The digital currency runs on blockchain technology, another buzzword from the past decade. Essentially, and blockchain, it designs a large system where records of transactions are stored. That's a key difference between Bitcoin and traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro, which are controlled by central bank. Many Bitcoin bulls call it a store of value. Well, and label has historically been reserved for safe haven investment. It's good and agree that the digital currency is a good investment to wild swings in value. So it may not just best opinion for risk avenger investor. Just a few days after hitting its record high this month, it suffered a flash crash, dropping some 14% in under. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, okay? Because that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, thank you very much. See you.